Got new keys first.
What? The best part is... Let's go. Yeah. Dirty old Sally. It runs. Nope. Gotta go grab some parts in the back.
Is it all the way in the back?
So, yeah. Mark will be happy to hear you say that. Everybody remembers being back here where we got the suspension from and all the other parts like that. So this is sort of a little storage unit to keep everything just out of the weather, and all the parts from my dad's ElCamino project ended up back here. If you don't remember that, I'll throw some clips in, or I'll show you when we get back to the house. That car is sold, so I'm left with a bunch of spare parts that came off. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully a bunch of missing pieces that we're going to need.
Yeah, you look stunned.
Well, it's all mixed. There's Corvette parts. This is another Camino piece. I don't know what's what. Well, nothing in door number 1. Let's go check door number 2. I know for a fact that there's 2 doors. Door number 2. I should have parked up. Alright, so the idea is basically on hunt for ElCamino parts. If you couldn't tell, I know there's a lot of stuff lying around because there's a second car that was here and now it's gone. So, but I did find something. Tailgate and 2 doors. So, 2 doors behind, 3 doors behind door number 2.
Yeah. We're gonna take that.
Yeah. Cool. Hmm? Chevrolet, don't say SS on it. These doors, we'll see which one. Well, it's got a big dent in it already. But have a set of doors you can chop out.
Yeah.
Got them.
Where's the YouTube, not TikTok?
Yeah.
You can't get anything in the shot.
Found that, and we have a problem with door hinges, hood hinges right now, and I just found the front of my old Chevy too, stashed away in the woods here. But these hinges might actually work. We might be able to do something with that, because the problem we were gonna have with the ElCamino was the way the angle comes out. It would actually put the hood right in the windshield, so this might work. 9/16, ½ inch. There's these 2, but... So AJ just brought up a good point that if I take those off, I'm gonna need a new set for the Nova, because today we've been messing around and we have a huge issue with trying to get the front of the ElCamino to sit on there properly and line everything up properly. It's not working out too good. So we just realized that when it comes time for the Nova, which is probably right after the ElCamino, we're gonna have to go through all that again. I'll insert some pictures here to show like what we did this morning. Look at the score for today. Now, tailgate and 2 doors. Thing is, we're gonna check out what doors are better. These ones are the ones I have, because I'd like to take a set and empty them right out and make them super lightweight, get rid of the windows, probably leave the frame, but who knows. So instead of being productive today in the shop, I guess we're just gonna make a mess. and load it full of parts that I don't need right now. Figure out what's going on. We gotta figure out what's going on with the back end too. This initially started out as it was supposed to be just another ElCamino video, because you guys know I like to do those in like series and stuff like that, and that's coming out later this month actually. But it ended up not being so productive, so I figured we'll turn it into a vlog, give you guys a little update. I know it was supposed to be the last update like a month ago, but I figured this will be the last update. I mean last update before the actual ElCamino full build video series start coming back on, so you guys can see what you missed. Anyways, back up here. Don't hit the car. All right, get your muscles. Get the camera mount.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Let's clean up a little bit and make a quick comparison of the doors. If you want. So this door came with that car, the ElCamino, and this one was, I guess, a spare part off of something, because the other car that went is actually blue. But let's check them out. How got some rust there, we got some rust there. The bottom doesn't look bad there. The corner is messed up. What about this? The skin's there. That looks a little crumpled. Yeah, that one's straight. Skin's actually good in this corner. Have a look around. You see any things? Yeah. Any things? Tell me. Point them out. What do you see that's different on the doors? Like, I want to know which one's the worst door, and go from there.
There's a lot more surface rust on this stuff. Like
There is, eh?
Yeah, like if you look underneath the gasket here, it's a little more.
Hey, I need that.
Yeah, okay, but it's still cleaner than this one. This one's like it's welded off.
Okay.
That's the interior rust.
And this one is screwed right here too. This one at the bottom here is good, and the top's bad, and that one at the top's good, and the bottom's bad.
Yeah. It's like the rust in all the opposite places.
Shit. Okay. So they're about the same.
Yeah, except this corner is a lot cleaner than that corner, but like it depends on what you're looking for. We have to look at the other side too, because
Yeah. Because I wanted to keep the windows and everything working in the good one, and then the other one just make a shell, just strip the inside completely, so they're super lightweight.
yeah, well, the insides look better on this one or that one.
Check the outsides
The insides look better on that one.
on this
than
one. Yeah.
But it's like
Well, it's got a window. Of course, yeah, it's shiny.
no, but I mean,
Oh, you can see through.
the
Yeah,
actual
it's
profits
actually
and everything,
metal.
We'd have to unscrew this so you can actually see them clear, but it's crippled on the inside, not the outside. I don't understand that. Someone tried
Yeah.
to kick their way out.
So they tried to kick their way out, or something was blocking the door and they slammed it shut.
Yeah,
And there was like
dude.
a metal bar in there because somebody tried to get someone's leg, or trying to smash his arms with a baseball bat. This one, clearly this outer skin is screwed.
Yeah.
That's obviously the worst. But also I can mix and match because I'm going to paint it anyway.
Well, that's it.
So I could just take one, whatever's a good door for the good door. And,
I don't think the plunge is going to pull that out, so.
no, well, whatever.
You never know.
I'll put another one in after driving it anyway. So let's compare the back of the skins on these ones.
Alright.
As of now, I would go with this door on the truck actually, because this one's missing all the window and trim and stuff. Alright, so this door has holes here, got some weird stuff going on there where the trim was. Here too, these little bolts, like all this stuff is stuck to. Right? And then there's no window trim.
Key hold this thing.
Not that that's too, I don't even know if I have the keys for this thing.
That's it.
But, that's all messed up. But here, these corners are good on the outside. So Those are show doors. Those are drift doors. For this side, this is the passenger side door. Let's check the drivers.
Yeah, things would be safe though.
Yeah, because this one's pretty screwed, but. The last one, it's gonna be super obvious. That one, that's the damage on this door, but everything else seems to be good and okay. Maybe a little tiny spot right there, but that's nothing compared to this. What? What are those? And that looks like crap, and then there's all kinds of probably critters and stuff living in here. I'm gonna get bitten by some sort of spider from a different country. It's pretty beat up, and like you saw before, this one's got a huge dent in it. This one's straight. So again, drift doors, nice doors. Put them somewhere. I don't really know. Huffed and we puffed, and we got the other set of doors are back to storage. So let's do a quick tailgate comparison. Tailgate, technically number 2, the one we just picked up. Oh, I didn't notice that before. But that's nothing to shake your hammer at. Is that the right term? No.
I don't think so.
Missing light, but overall it's pretty good. There's no dents. This part looks pretty clean. Looks clean. And then we got this one that came on the ElCamino. It's got the SS badging. That's very cool. Light situation's a little bit better. That shouldn't look that bad here. But there's this spot. It's questionable. Oh, and just for fun, let's look at this little lip under here. There's a bit of rot in that corner where the wiring went through. And then we get to this one. Let's wait. Look at this one again with the light on. That's underneath the tailgate. It's kind of rot there, but not too bad. And then we get to this tailgate, and it's just ugly all the way through. Pretty crusty. Whew, yeah. Again, the one that came with the ElCamino. This is the part that kind of just showed you before, but over here it's pretty bad. Inside there's all kinds of junk. Rust and debris. I'm pretty sure this truck sat out in the field somewhere in a mud puddle or a pond or something. So we look at this side. Besides the leaves that are there, but I mean, it's overall pretty clean. Inside there, no gunk, no garbage. A little bit here, but you know, let the spiders live, right? And then this edge is way better. Just compare the two. So it's pretty clear that the tailgate we just got, it's like opposite of the doors. The doors that came with the ElCamino are in better shape, so I'm keeping those aside for when I want to do something nice with the doors. For now, we're setting this baby up to drift, to rip it, so I want them stripped out and as empty as possible. When it comes to the tailgate, I don't even know if I'm going to run a tailgate, but it's total opposite. The one that came with the ElCamino is finished. It's all disgusting on the bottom, broken up, and this one's actually really clean. So that makes the choice very easy, but it's so rotten. You do anything with it, it's going to crumble.
It's gonna fly out of the other driver.
Yeah. Like you can chop it up, but
It's so flimsy that it doesn't hold itself. That you're gonna...
we're gonna have to weld a lot of brackets in that if we use it. But again, like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use a tailgate because I mean, look at that, looks cool just like that. So quick, just give you guys a quick update. You can see a lot of stuff change here. I got some sheet metals in the floor now, and cut the clip because AJ helped me come and cut this all out. It was a little bit big of a job to do by myself. Then I went ham on the bead roller. That's going to be coming in the upcoming video series I'm talking about, the ElCamino drift build, where I show you everything that I've done, like A to Z, every step of the way, more or less. So I just want to give you guys a quick update to what's going on, and I don't know. That's where we're at. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those videos.
If you can't fix what you're